Let's get straight to the point. Here is the ultimate guide to start your digital painting journey. These are the questions that will be answered in this video. So, what do I need? Okay, so you need three things: a laptop or PC, software, and pen tablet. If you're using a tablet or iPad, so you need a stylus with that as well. Okay, there are a lot of videos on this topic. Sadly, everyone ends the video on the verdict that this depends upon the user, which is definitely or somewhat true, but the users haven't used anything like that. So there should be a definitive answer, a more practical approach. You should choose a tablet that has active surface area of 8 into 6 inches. This is the least. I do not recommend smaller one nor bigger than this. Why? Because smaller ones do not allow smooth flow when it comes to straight lines, and the bigger ones are expensive and not a good choice for a startup artist. Straight answer is Photoshop. It is user friendly, has plenty of brush library, exporting your art is easier and has more options. Overall really good for digital painting unless you have a tablet. For Android, you should use Autodesk Sketchbook, that's a better choice. And for iPad, Adobe Fresco, that's a free software. If you do not want to use Photoshop for PC or laptop, you should use Krita. All the links are in description. Yes, you do need them. Those help in making amazing paintings and make the overall workflow pretty easy. But do not get me wrong, custom brushes do not do the magic themselves. It is still the artists who make them work. Okay, this section is for those who want to record their videos and post them on YouTube or TikTok. So how should they record? So for recording, like digital painting, screen recording, so the screen recorder is OBS recorder, and for editing the sound, the software is Audacity, and for editing the video you should use CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. So that's it. Hope this is helpful on some level, and best of luck. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one.